Here we have a iPhone 8 Plus for sale. So this one here, I'll show you the settings, general, about. As you can see, it is running 13.3.1, 8 Plus, 64GB storage. Hasn't been signed into any iCloud service. You can see all the Wi-Fi is working. I'll connect to our service here. And you can see that Wi-Fi is working. Yep, get onto the internet. Beautiful. Camera. You can see it working. And the front camera. Hello. What else? So the physical condition. So you can see. That's the full glass back, no cracks or anything. Unlocked to any network, ready to go. And I'll just turn it off and turn it back on for you. Also, you'll be getting the original charger and the original cables together. That's all. That's the box for it, 64 gig. Just turn it on for you. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you.